Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning the damaged area thoroughly, remove wax and dirt so paint adheres. Once dry, sand lightly to smooth sharp edges and create a mechanical key. Make sure to shake the touch-up pen for 30 to 60 seconds. This mixes the pigments. Test the pen on a plastic card to confirm color and flow. Then, apply the first thin coat inside the chip, not over surrounding paint, so you build layers without runs or globs. Once the base fill is set, you add successive thin coats to bring the paint to the panel height. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes between coats so each layer skins over. This prevents sinking. Use steady, controlled strokes and keep the pen vertical to avoid air pockets. If a coat builds a ridge, quickly wipe excess with a microfiber. Later, after full cure, you can wet sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit to level the finish and remove high spots. You finish by allowing the repair to cure fully, often 24 to 48 hours. Then gently polish with a fine compound and apply a sealant or clear coat if the kit includes one. If the color looks off, try 1 or 2 microcoats or recheck the OEM paint code and reapply a correct shade. If you see runs or orange peel, wet sand carefully and polish. And if the repair still fails, stop, clean, and start over with fresh material to avoid trapping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.